So I'm Dan.
Paula.
Darren Tipler.
Oliver Curley.
My name is Tam Valebi.
I'm Kaylee.
My name's Adrian.
Some of the challenges we face is being able to keep people engaged, motivate people, drive performance.
We work in an industry where there's constant change, and one of the biggest things that we struggle with is how to communicate that change effectively to our consultants and to our team managers.
When I first started back in 2009, there was 70 of us employed by Simply Business, and we had approximately 30,000 customers. And then fast forward through that 15 years, we've got over 1 million live policies.
We work with builders, garden maintenance, plumbers, electricians, anybody from a consultant to an engineer.
Prior to Wisdom, the reporting that consultants had at their fingertips was the number of sales they're done and premium. With Centrical, puts that activity in their own hands. They can go in and have a look at any given time to see where they're at.
Where this system really engages them to go in and have a look at how they're performing, how are their colleagues performing, if they're not doing as well as they could do, what can they do to kind of get better? And this is where Centrical's could really kind of focus on that and making sure the performance is where it needs to be.
There's a lot of challenging conversations. The amount of products that we've got, they have to remember so much. We're not always in the office, so it's great that we have this sort of system that can support people that are at home as well.
So today's been all about getting people excited for the launch of our system Wisdom, powered by Centrical. There's been a whole host of things going on in our square. We've had a grabber machine where people have been able to win prizes. We've been giving away a whole host of Simply Business merchandise, from hoodies to umbrellas. There's been food for people to take advantage of. We've got a hot dog stand. And then it's also just meant that there's been a space where people can come, get comfortable with the system, give us their feedback, which has been really positive, and take the time to get excited.
We originally explored gamification to find other ways of driving incentives in sales. How can we have better pulse checks on well-being? How can we improve knowledge retention and people owning their own performance? What Centrical brings is that all of those components live within the systems.
It's just been a great opportunity to bring everything together.
As a remote worker, there is nothing better than you being able to find things when you want it.
We always knew that we wanted more than just gamification. We wanted something to be able to support all of our consultants and the team managers to help support them with their teams. Centrical just fit the bill. We had a great working relationship with them. They listened to what we wanted, they understood our needs, and it's just absolutely worked.